Our notebook is a clue. Well, hey, you know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Okay. Our notebook. So let's first start out with a square for the cover of the notebook, a round line for the spiral, two kind of loopy shapes for the arms of the thinking chair, a round line for the back, a line like this for the legs, and a line for the seat. And there, our notebook. We have our first Blue's Clue.